I've really started to journal more in my Bible, and so I got this Bible journey kit. It comes in this little box I'm super excited about. So when I first open it up, first glance, this is what it looks like. You have a thank you card. You get a pack of highlighters. So you have a pink, orange, yellow, purple, green, and blue highlighters. I'm just gonna stick them back in this box. The next thing you get is this little kit. Oh, you get this little bag right here. It is super cute. This is definitely my style. So the first zipper you open, you get some little so you have some magnets to hold your place in your Bible, and then you just put these on where you want to put a note, and then you just have a pack of sticky notes. And then you also, in this pocket as well, you can stick your highlighters, maybe your pens, pencils, whatever you'd like. I'm gonna zip that back up. And then in this next pocket, you first get it, you get a pack of more markers. So not only are you getting these highlighters, but you get a pack of 8 markers, and then you can just stick whatever you need in here. So now I'm gonna open this last pouch right here, and you get some more pens, which I think is such a nice thing. You're getting so much. These are beautiful. So you get a yellow, purple, blue, pink, and green pen. So you're getting pens that match your highlighters, which I think is such a good deal. I really like all of these. These pens feel great. They have a nice grip on them. But that's not all you get. And in this pocket, you just have a little compartment to just store your pens right there. You just get a 4-pack of black pens. These just look like such fancy pens, which I really like. And then there's so much stuff in this kit. If you have a newer Bible and you don't have any tabs to let you know what genre you're reading, then these are definitely a good start. So you have all of these name labels right here, so you can label your Bible. Lastly, you just have this Bible journal. Look how cute that is. It has this nice gold detailing, and when you open it, it's kind of a preview. So this is going to really help you study the Bible and just understand it a bit more. You get so much stuff, and as well as a little reference sheet. I really like this, and I'm super excited to start using this rather than just my pens and pencils to Bible study, and I'm really excited to try this notebook out. So if you're just trying to start getting into Bible studying, this kit is definitely a good choice. It comes with so much stuff, and I think it will all be super useful. I know it will be for me, and I think it will be for you too. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.